topic is K-map. Now let's see what is K-map. K-map is a representation of the truth table by a matrix of squares or cells where each square corresponds to a mean term or a max term of the logic function. For n variable function, we need 2 to the power n rows truth table and 2 to the power n squares, which is also called as cells. The square number is equivalent to the row number in the truth table. To represent a logic function, the truth table values are copied into their corresponding cells. So, in the simple language, the K-map is a method to simplify Boolean expression. It provides a simple and straightforward method of minimization of Boolean expression. We can simplify 2, 3, 4 and even 6 variables with the help of K-map. So first let's see the 2 variable K-map. So here is a representation of the 2 variable K-map. We should know about the binary representation of the 0 up to at least 7. So the binary representation of 0 is 0, 0. If we are saying that it's a 2 variable K-map, so here x and y are the 2 variables. We have to locate the position of the cell. So 0 is represented by the 0, 0. So here is the 0th cell where 0, 0. So here is the 0th cell. Second is 1. So the binary representation of 1 is 0, 1. So here it is 0, 1. So this is the 1 cell. The binary representation of 2 is 1, 0. So here it is 1 and 0. So this is the 2 cell, and the binary representation of 3 is 1, 1. So here is the 3rd cell. So this is the way of representing the 2 variable K-map. Now with the help of K-map we can minimize the function or simplify the function. So this is the given function. Let's consider this example. To find out any simplification or to minimize any function, there are some steps. There are basically 2 steps. The first step is find out the truth table, and the second step is find out the K-map, and then find out the simplification of the function. So the first step is to draw a truth table. So if it is a 2 variable K-map, so there will be the 4 possible combination. So this is the truth table, which is the first step. 0, 1, 2, 3. We can represent it in binary way. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. For 2 variable K-map, there is a 4 possible combinations. And this F column is an output which is based on the given condition. Now with the help of truth table we can find out or draw the K-map. So we have to allocate the number of ones present in the truth table into the K-map. So we can see at the row of second and third 1 is generated, so we have to map this 1 into the K-map. So where is the second and third position? Here it is. This is the second position, this is the third position. So at the second and third number we will map the 1. Now we have to, in the K-map we have to group the largest possible combination. So here is the largest possible combination. We have to group this number of ones into a single group. So this is the X column and this is the X dash column. In the same way, this is the Y row and this is the Y dash row. So with the help of K-map we can minimize or simplify the function. So we can see the output of the F, or we can say the minimization of the given condition or given function is X, as this is the grouping of ones in a X row. That's why the answer of this function is F equals to X. Now let's consider the second example. Here in the same way we can minimize the function. The first step is draw a truth table. Now if it is a two variable K-map, so there will be a 4 possible combination 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the output. We can find out this output with the help of given condition. Now second step is draw the K-map. With the help of truth table, we can draw the K-map. We have to just allocate the number of ones into the K-map. So this is the two variable K-map. At the 0 and first row there is a 1. So we have to map this 1 into the K-map. So at the 0 and first cell we map the number of ones. Now here also we have to group the number of ones into a single cell, into a single group, so that we can minimize the function. So this grouping is on x dash column. That's why the output, that is simplification of the given function, is f equals to x dash. Now this is the three variable K-map. This is the way of representing the three variable K-map. So here is the representation of the numbers from 0 to 7, as this is the three variable K-map. So the possible combinations are 0 to 7, that means total combinations are 8. So this is the 0th position. It comes from 0 is represented by 0, 0, 0. So here it is 0, 0 and 0. Next is 1. The representation of 1 is 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1 is here. The representation of 2 is 0, 1, 0. So this is 2. In the same way, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the three variable K-map. Here is the x. This 2 column is gives you the x output. This is the z column, and this 2 column gives you the y output. So with the help of this K-map, we can simplify any function based on the three variables. So consider this example. We have to simplify the given condition. So the first step is draw the truth table. So this is the truth table of three variable K-map. If it is a three variable K-map, the possible combinations are 0 to 7, that means total 8. So from 0 to 7, this is the binary representation, and this f is the output, which is based on the given condition. Condition says that it will produce the 1 at the position 0, 1, 4 and 5. So here is the output. At the position of 0th row, 1 will be produced. Then at the 1 row, 1 will be produced. At the 4th row, 1 will be produced, and at the 5th row, 1 will be produced. So this 4 ones are going to be produced from the given condition. Now the second step is K-map. So with the help of truth table, we can find out the K-map. So this is the way of representing the three variable K-map. Now we have to just allocate or map this number of ones into the K-map. So at the 0, 1, 4th and 5th position, we will map the number of ones. So 0, 1, here is the 4th position and here is the 5th position. So from this 2 column, we will get the x output. From this 2 column, we will get the y output, and this is the row which will give you the z row. So with the help of this K-map, we can simplify or minimize the function in this way. So the output will be the maximum grouping of number of, the largest grouping of number of ones. So here we can group this 4 number of ones. So the output will be y dash. Now the 4 variable K-map. This is the way of representing the 4 variable K-map. Here if it is a 4 variable K-map, so the maximum or the possible combinations are from 0 to 15, that means there are total 16 combinations. We can consider any example based on the 4 variable K-map. The same step you have to follow. That means if you want to minimize any function, so the first step will be draw the truth table. With the help of truth table, we can find out the K-map, and from the K-map we can minimize any function. Now generally this 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable k-map are used to simplify any function, but there is a 5 variable k-map also. So this is the way of representing the 5 variable k-map. We can form a 5 variable k-map using two connected 4 variable maps. So if it is a 5 variable k-map, so the possible combinations are from 0 to 31. That means total 32 combinations will be there. So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the 4 variable k-map, and we can combine this second 4 variable k-map to this with the continuous increment, that is from 16, 17, 18, 19 up to the 31. So we can club the two 4 variables k-map into the one to make it as a 5 variable k-map and minimize the function. So this is all about the k-map and the minimization of the switching functions using the k-map. Thank you.